Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. I'm going to show you the colors first for this painting called Current. That is Ore by TLP. And this is Modern Masters Iridescent Pearl mixed with Golden Fluid Titanium White. And then I have a few different colors here. That has Charvin Indigo. And then this is a turquoise mixture. It's a few different Amsterdam paints and then the Charvin Indigo as well. That is a kind of a mustardy yellow that I mixed up. And then that's Amsterdam turquoise green mixed with some of their bright green. And then that is a Charvin ocean blue. And I have some different cloud over colors. That's turquoise and 24 karat gold. And then that's a Deco Art metallic color as well. And then kind of a light rosy pink. So I put some gold paint down on this canvas, which is has dried. So I'm working on a dry canvas. I just put a little bit of gold down underneath because I'm using the transparent base coat today. So I'm just coating the canvas with the transparent base coat. And I'll put a link in the description that goes into much more detail about that base coat and the recipe. And I'm layering on the puddle paints. And I did add a little bit of yellow from, it's a Pineapple Crush color. That's what it's called. It's by Color Art. And this was a really just kind of a fun little oceanic kind of theme. Just kind of pretty blues and golds. It's for I was just kind of mixing up these colors and felt really inspired by them. It's for a student of mine, and I hope she loves it. I do want to mention that I will be at the Fluid Art Experience, in case you didn't know about that event. It's going to be in Seattle, April 27th through the 29th. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. Yeah, this is just a pretty painting. I really enjoyed creating it. I'm going to tell you, about halfway through, I was like, I didn't quite know what direction to go. I did pull out some bloom paint, which I've been playing with a lot with the pearl paintings. So I've got there's two very different techniques that I kind of toggle between, and it's the pearl technique and the bloom technique. So I always have paints mixed up for both of these beautiful methods of fluid art, and sometimes it's fun just to experiment, and I really like what the bloom paints do on top of a pearl painting. So you're going to see that, and I use a little bit of Golden Fluid High Flow in their iridescent gold, and it really brought this painting to life. Some of the bloom colors I used Color Art Desert Clay, which I've been loving, and a Soho paint called Manganese Blue. And I think I pulled down the Indigo by Charvin as well, one of my favorites. It's been a staple for a while. So I hope you enjoy this. And there is so many wonderful ways to follow me, to support me. There's all sorts of links in the description below. I've got a wonderful Patreon community that is just really fun and very supportive, and I get to support you as well as an artist, or as a appreciator of the arts, a supporter of the arts. So and I just love that you're here, and I am excited for spring. I'm starting to feel some of that spring energy a little bit. We're kind of in a deep winter where I live. In the inland Northwest, it's been cold and rainy, but we're starting to get some light. So more will be coming. I'm curious and always excited what the next season's going to bring. All right, much love, and if you have any questions on anything I'm doing, please don't hesitate to ask, and I'll talk to you soon. Stay tuned for end results at the end of the video. Okay, bye.